Hey guys, I'm joined here with Adam Page with US Bank. He's a mortgage lender, and he's going to be talking about more about a HELOC, a HEIL, which I didn't know about, and jumbo loan product. So I'll kick it off to Adam.
Thanks for having me, Nick. Definitely. These are some exciting and different options that I'm able to offer clients right now, and I'm excited to share some of the details.
Awesome. So we're here to talk about a HELOC, as a lot of us here oftentimes, a home equity line of credit. So Adam, tell us more about what a HELOC is and how it works.
Absolutely. So a HELOC is essentially a revolving line of credit on your home. We can go up to an 80% LTV. For example, if your home appraises at $1 million, you have a $600,000 first, you can get an open revolving line of credit for $200,000, essentially a HELOC. And then with that money, a lot of my clients use it for short-term renovations, things that they need immediately, but they plan to pay off in maybe 6 to 12 months, and then have that equity line just in case.
Yeah, so it's an injection of liquidity so they can take care of what they need to and then pay it off over the course of however long their timeline is they need, and still be able to have access to it without an insane interest rate attached to it.
Correct. Absolutely. Without going into rates, they will be much more competitive than a typical credit card or something else out there. And another great benefit is there's no cost with our bank to apply for this. So a lot of clients want it just in case, want it there. There's not a lot of risk to it.
So if they reach out to you, they start an application, get the process going, they're not going to have to pay for an appraisal fee or for an underwriting fee. It's just they're going to be able to get the loan accomplished through their equity at no cost out of pocket.
That's absolutely correct. You got it.
Yeah, sounds like a lot better deal than a credit card.
Definitely a great way to use that equity in your home to maybe do something else you've been wanting to do at not a high initial cost.
And again, this is for your primary only, not for an investment property or second home, correct?
Correct. As of right now, it's strictly on your primary home. No second home, vacation, or investment properties.
Awesome. So we're talking about the HEIL, or the home equity installment loan. This is something I had no idea about. Adam brought this to my attention probably 6 months ago. So now I'm aware there's two different options to be considering, and you should definitely know about both of them before you decide. So tell us a little bit more about the HEIL product, Adam.
Absolutely, Nick. I have to be honest, right now, probably 90% of these type of programs, I'm doing a HEIL. It's basically like a true second. And it's a fixed rate installment loan over a fixed amount of time. And it's best if you know that you need a set lump sum of money, where the HELOC gives you a credit line to use and pay down. This would be a true installment loan second that let's use that same $200,000 line scenario. Once you are approved for the HEIL, you will get that $200,000 at one time as one lump sum, and then you will be making monthly installment payments to then pay it off. That's the main difference.
Would you say more people are using the HEIL now because they want, is it specific to them wanting to have a variable rate versus a fixed rate, or what? Why would you say more people are using a HEIL now than ever?
Where if you're doing large scale remodels, if you're trying to do build out ADUs, I'm seeing a lot of clients use it for that. If you need a larger sum of money at one time to do these improvements or renovations or building, then clients appreciate the fixed rate. They know what that payment's going to be every month. On a HELOC, it's a better tool for lower dollar amounts that you are going to pay back quickly. So maybe a $25,000 kitchen remodel. You say, hey, we're just going to do this quick little remodel, pay it off, get it back to zero. And then you just want that line of credit just in case. You're getting the lump sum of money for a purpose to do, you have a goal to do something with that.
Perfect. Well, this is something, like I said, that a lot of people don't know about. So highly encourage you, if you're looking at options, talk with Adam more about what each option provides for you and why you might be considering a HELOC versus a HEIL.
And another main point, right now, the HELOCs go up to a $350,000 limit. The HEILs, you're able to go up to $750,000, and also use you can use that on your vacation home or second home. So there's a little more flexibility in that realm as well.
Okay, that's new. That's new information to me. So you can use the HEIL as an option for a second home or a vacation home.
Correct.
Okay, great. That's something new for sure. I did not know. And I'm sure a lot of people are curious about, especially with how much equity people have realized over the past 3 to 4 years.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Perfect. So we want to talk a little bit more about the jumbo product, right? We know there's some lending outfits offer jumbo products, some don't, but we know US Bank has a tremendous jumbo product. So tell us more about what that looks like and what kind of programs you do have available right now.
Yeah, absolutely. So you have your conventional agency, Freddie, Fannie type products. And then at US Bank, we have our jumbo products, which we call our portfolio programs. And it's where we lend the bank's money directly. We have our own guidelines and stipulations with these loans that we have a little more freedom and uniqueness to what we're able to offer. Now, those can be adjustable rate mortgages, which are very popular right now, 5/7 and 10/1 ARMs. We have interest only programs. We have lender paid mortgage insurance programs, physician programs. There's a lot of unique things that we can offer. And this tends to be loan amounts above $1 million. So depending on where you're purchasing, what you're putting down, if you're above that price point, I do have these portfolio loan options available.
Perfect. Well, I know that's being in San Diego and other high price markets. Every other home is probably going to be a jumbo loan, and probably better to use someone who has a lot of different options within that program to make sure they're getting the best opportunity with that larger term loan product.
I'd be honest, that's the primary core part of my business. Another thing that I'm able to in our portfolio is we finance land. A lot of people think that if you buy land, you have to pay cash. That's not the case. We're able to finance land and even finance construction for clients that are looking to build their dream homes or purchase raw land to in the future build their dream home. So that's another very unique program that we have within our portfolio.
So it sounds like we need to create a slide on land.
that is that would definitely be a great informative piece for sure.
Thanks, Adam. Good stuff.
Absolutely, my pleasure.